Intermediate 10. The significance of nonverbal communication in business. While verbal communication is essential for conveying specific details and instructions, nonverbal communication often carries the most weight in establishing trust and rapport in professional settings. Experts estimate that a significant portion of human communication is conveyed through body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Experts estimate that a significant portion of human communication is conveyed through body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. In a business context, being aware of these subtle cues can be the difference between a successful negotiation and a failed deal. For instance, maintaining eye contact and having an open posture can project confidence and sincerity, whereas crossing one's arms might be interpreted as defensiveness or disinterest. Cultural differences further complicate the nuances of nonverbal communication. A gesture that is considered polite in one country might be perceived as offensive in another. Therefore, international business professionals must develop cultural intelligence to avoid misunderstandings. For example, the physical distance between people during a conversation varies greatly across cultures, and ignoring these boundaries can cause significant discomfort. By mastering nonverbal cues, professionals can enhance their persuasiveness and emotional intelligence. Communication is not just about the words we choose, but about the unspoken signals we send to the world every day.